Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Zen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI MPG 341CQPX QD-OLED monitor. So friend, MSI unveiled MPG 341CQPX, an advanced QD-OLED curved monitor characterized by a significant refresh rate of 240Hz and curvature of 1800R. This model is an improvement over the previously released MPG 341CQP, which had a refresh rate of 175 Hz, and friend, industry sources such as TFT Central suggest that this new version will transition from the initial Samsung QD-OLED Gen 1 panel to more advanced Gen 2.5 panel, incorporating more efficient organic materials and refined pixel layout for enhanced display quality. And friend, the MPG 341CQPX features a 34-inch Gen 9 aspect ratio curved QD-OLED screen, boasting a resolution of 3440 by 1440 and brightness of 250 nits and peak high dynamic range brightness of 1000 nits. The monitor supports a 240Hz high refresh rate and is compatible with variable refresh rate technology from both Nvidia and AMD, ensuring smooth and adaptive gameplay. Connectivity options include a DisplayPort 1.4 with display streaming compression support, two HDMI 2.1 ports capable of delivering 4K resolution at 120Hz, and a USB Type-C port with 98-watt power delivery for charging. And the monitor also offers a multiple USB port for data transfer and support keyboard, video, mouse functionality, enhancing its versatility for various setups. And friend, MSI has integrated OLED Care 2.0 into this monitor to address potential OLED screen burn-in issues, providing a 3-year warranty against such defects. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, this monitor is priced at approximately $775. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.